Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking truthiness. Numbers, strings, lists can be truthy or falsy. Once you know that, use or to pick the first truthy operand. For example, X or default picks default when X is falsy. Make sure to parenthesize when combining with comparisons. A B or C equals D. Take this first actionable step now. Replace simple if else defaults with or only when falsy values are acceptable as missing. Once you rely on short-circuiting, you can simplify control flow. A or B will call B. Only if A returned a falsy value. You also use or with and to craft compound conditions, but be careful. Evaluation is left to right, so side effects matter. When checking many candidates, consider any. For Booleans, otherwise chained or works for a few values. Make sure to test functions that return non-Boolean types because or will return the actual operand, not true or false. You finish by converting tricky or usage into explicit checks when correctness matters. Use if X is none. X equals default to preserve 0 or empty string. Once done, add unit tests that include falsy but valid examples like 0. And, if behavior looks wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to print the actual values and types. This reveals which operand or returned and why. Make sure to document intent so future
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.